We're in the far northeastern corner of Yellowstone National Park in a very remote area called Lamar Valley.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, and we're in a campground that's in the middle of nowhere called Slough Creek Campground. This campground is considered, article came out a few months ago, the hardest reservation to get of any campground in the country.
I can see why, but let me preface it by saying this to the ladies first. There is no running water. There are pit toilets. So that's it.
It's remote, it's rustic.
But it's
right.
Super beautiful. The campsite we got
is the
right
best
there.
Campsite in the best campground.
Fish are jumping. I'm distracted now behind me.
Yeah,
but,
it's right along Slough Creek here.
I mean, we've even had people walk up to us and say, how did you get this campsite?
Right. And how you get it, you have to make a reservation 6 months in advance. And if you don't get it, you have to be on the computer right at Central Time, 9 a.m., recreation.gov. And you can't get it because everyone, hundreds and hundreds of people
are on
that
yesterday,
same
I felt
time.
bad for him because he was like, "This is my favorite campsite," and I was like, "Well, it's mine."
But there are other tricks on how to get it, we got it, a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
And we just happened to get number one here, which is the best campsite in this campground, and because it's right. Well, a lot of them are right.
A lot of them are
the
on
creek.
the river. Yeah.
But we're kind of remote away from everyone else.
There's nobody around us.
No one.
It's great.
And last night, we were around the campfire, and what did I heard it.
You heard it, yeah.
I heard
he's partially
there
deaf.
was a bison snorting just in the hills right above us here.
Which is fine in the daytime, but not at night. And it's pitch black out here. So,
right.
Yeah.
And we were here 2 years ago, and there are bison right around here, and we got the shot of the grizzly cinnamon black bear, not a grizzly, cinnamon black bear.
Yeah.
That was being chased by a coyote. And
that was a good one.
That was a moment we'll never forget. It chased him up a tree.
So what he does, this little bear is running away from the coyote. He doesn't like the coyote. I can only fit a couple people in my van. Who's king? Who's king? Oh, the jungle.
Good idea.
So great campsite. That was funny. That was funny.
And then that was 2 years ago, and then we were going to come back here last summer, but then it was closed down. The whole campground was closed down. The whole area, Lamar Valley, was closed down because of the floods in Yellowstone in June of last year. this place was just inundated, and they had to repair, and they're repairing the roads up here as
Lots
well
of construction, so hopefully it'll be done in about 5 years. A lot of construction.
It's going to take a while because they can't do it during the winter.
Yeah.
And so it could take a few years to do that. But the Lamar Valley, which we're in, another section just a few miles away, is just teeming with wildlife. They call this the Serengeti of North America. Where you going? You coming over on this side? No, you're going on that side. Grizzlies, bison, eagles, antelope, mountain goats,
the coyote, of course, foxes,
otters,
otters and beavers. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, lots.
Yeah.
It's a plethora. Plus, the fishing. People come here from all over the world to fish the Lamar River, and that's
Slough Creek.
Slough Creek. It's amazing, and it really is. So I just got done.
And you did okay.
I did okay.
Yeah, you caught some.
Yeah. So that was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll be back. I don't know next year, but we'll be back here. It's a great campsite, great campground.
Bring everything you have because there's not a store.
That's right. There's no water.
But that's not true. That's not true.
Yeah.
The Roosevelt Lodge is about 20 minutes from here.
Less than that.
Less than that.
8 miles, 10 miles. So.
And I cheated and got a shower there last night.
Right.
That was great.
Yeah, we have to plan ahead.
Yeah, we do have a shower though.
Yeah, but there are plenty of. We were down in Grand Teton. Usually we see a lot of bison down there. We hardly saw any.
Yeah, true.
Came up here and we've seen literally hundreds, maybe 1,000.
That's crazy.
And we were in that bison run, caught in that construction traffic, and the bison were just coming right at us.
Stampede. Right at us. It was
right
great.
at us.
That was funny.
Yeah.
It's their world.
And a grizzly that we saw going across the meadow.
We stalked him. Yeah, that was great. Lots. So if you're gonna want a great campsite up in North Yellowstone, you got to find Slough Creek.
Slough Creek, S-L-O-U-G-H. Slough Creek.
It's a good one.
There's only 16 campsites here. Rugged, remote, rustic.
Yeah, I would say rent a camper van and do it with Moterra because they have a shower and they have a little toilet.
Right.
So.
Right.
And a kitchen.
It's all self-contained.
Yeah, self-contained.
Got solar, so you're okay here. I mean, as long as you have a full tank of water up here.
But there are people in tents, but that's hard.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
And we have our heads on a swivel.
Yeah.
Looking for grizzlies.
Lots. Well, that's just, we carry our bear spray, here especially, everywhere we go because they require it. It's,
Right.
yeah. So that's what we do.
Yeah.
And we have our heads on a swivel. Yeah. Lots. Well, that's just, we carry our bear spray here especially, everywhere we go because they require it. It's, yeah. So that's what we do.
Right. Yeah.
It's pretty bad, but that makes it exciting too.
It's a fun place.
Yeah.
I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was fed by Mother Nature, and I breathe fresh, clean, natural air.